Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Irlia Natasha binti Muhammad Zulkifli and my metric number is J24A1133. I'm a student of Industrial Technology Management. Today we're going to dive into a topic that is crucial to the success of our nation's key industries: how industrial management principles are applied in the Malaysian automotive industry. This sector, featuring major players like Proton and Produa, provides a perfect case study for effective operational management. To start, let's define our core concept. Industrial management is essentially the systematic application of management principles, things like planning, organizing, and controlling, directly to industrial operations. In manufacturing, the focus is always on maximizing three things, which are efficiency, productivity, and quality. In Malaysia, our national car industry, particularly Proton and Produa, relies heavily on these robust management systems. Without them, it would be impossible to handle the sheer complexity of car manufacturing, control costs, and most importantly, to stay competitive against established global brands. Industrial management can be broken down into four core interconnected functions, which are POLC framework. First, we have planning. This is the foundation where we set ambitious production goals and allocate resources like capital and labor. Second, we have organizing, which is structuring the company from the assembly line layout to defining specific job roles and workflows. Third, we have leading. This is the people component, motivating our employees, fostering strong teamwork, and also providing clear leadership. Finally, we have controlling. This involves this involves monitoring actual performance against our plans, conducting quality checks, and ensuring every car meets the required safety and quality standards. Why are these principles so vital in the automotive world? Because manufacturing a car is an immensely complex undertaking. It involves large-scale production, thousands of individual parts, and a vast, complex network of suppliers. In this environment, industrial management becomes the guarantee for success. It ensures a smooth production flow, avoiding costly bottlenecks. It is the engine behind cost control and waste reduction. It maintains consistent product quality, which is non-negotiable for consumer trust. And crucially, it addresses the leading principle by ensuring worker safety and motivation. Let's look at our first national car maker, Proton. Proton is a prime example of applying these principles on a large scale. They heavily use lean manufacturing to systematically identify and eliminate waste, whether it's a wasted time, material, or inventory. Their commitment to quality is managed through Total Quality Management, or also known as TQM, ensuring that quality checks are continuous, not just at the end. Their strategic collaboration with Geely isn't just about design, it's a massive management decision to adopt world-class production systems and technology. Finally, they use just-in-time (JIT) inventory management, ensuring components arrive precisely when they are needed on the assembly line, which drastically reduces warehousing costs and also improves speed. Next, we turn to Produa. Produa has been exceptionally successful with its management philosophy, often drawing inspiration from its Japanese partners. They embody Kaizen, the Japanese principle of continuous improvement, constantly looking for small, incremental changes to improve efficiency on their assembly lines. The 5S system, which are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain is visibly applied in their Rawang plant, creating a highly organized and safe working environment. Critically, Produa excels at the leading function by strongly encouraging employee involvement and also teamwork. Recognizing that the people on the floor often have the best ideas for efficiency gains. This commitment, combined with rigorous quality control, directly translates into high customer satisfaction. This slide provides a quick summary of the most prominent industrial management techniques we have discussed, which we have lean production for waste reduction, TQM for ensuring customer satisfaction through reliable products, JIT to optimize inventory, and from Prodwa, we have Kaizen, that is for continuous improvement, and the 5S system for operational excellence on the factory floor. The key takeaway here is that Malaysian automakers are utilizing a suite of globally recognized best practice management tools to drive their operations. To conclude our analysis, let's look at the overall impact of these management practices. Industrial management is the backbone that ensures efficient production by coordinating every moving part, maintains consistent quality, which which is a requirement for safety and customer trust, and also improve supply chain coordination so the right parts are always at the right place and at the right time. Ultimately, by supporting innovation and the adoption of new technologies, these principles are fundamental to strengthening the competitiveness of the entire Malaysian automotive sector on the world stage. On a personal note, through this study, I've realized that industrial management is much more than just a theoretical subject. It's actually an active force that ensures our national car companies can stay competitive on a global scale. It drives innovation, creates local job opportunities, and ensures high quality for consumers. The biggest takeaway for me is this: efficient management is not just about machines and processes, but also fundamentally about people, teamwork, and leadership. To wrap up, the Malaysian automotive sector, from Proton's adoption of Lean and TQM to Prodwa's embrace of Kaizen and 5S, is a powerful real-world demonstration of effective industrial management. By diligently following the POLC principles of planning, leading, and controlling, these industries achieve both high productivity and long-term sustainability. They are securing a viable future for Malaysian manufacturing. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.